Sometimes you want to cut multiple things the same number several times. I'm going to show you a couple tricks to do that on your regular table saw setup, your miter box. So first and easiest way, grab a block of wood and a clamp. You want to do that just loosely, and then what I do is I come over here and I lock down my saw so that I can measure right to the blade. Let's say in this case I want to be 16-inch blocks. Let's do that. You want to measure exactly to the blade because that's what's going to be left of your wood after you cut. It's always a good idea to break out the square. Alright, I'm going to lock that down. This is probably the most common way to do this. Simply unlock your blade and go to town. You just bump that stock there. And there you go. The second way to do this is actually the first way that I learned to do it. You can use a drill. So again, lock your blade down, bump the blade, move it over exactly where you want it at, put the square on it, nice and square. Double check our measurement again. You want to measure twice and cut once, right? Exactly 16. That'll work for our project. Grab the drill. And it's that easy. Bump, stop. $16" every time. You can cut it several times as needed. And if you're a geek like me, Alexa, turn on the shop vac.